Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I myself was able to fix League of Legends that keep disconnecting. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually I tried a bunch of different solutions and for some reason only one of those that I found actually worked almost like all the time. So the thing is that when it keeps disconnecting, it could actually mean two things. One of the things why it keeps disconnecting, and quite often it's the most common one, is that there's currently some bug right now on your Wi-Fi connection. So what you're going to do to be able to actually fix this is to firstly open up like settings on your computer. So just go into settings on your computer, and in here you're just going to find like network or Wi-Fi or something like that similar on your computer, and just click on it. And now you should be taken to a page very similar to this, as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is very simple. You're going to find the Wi-Fi connection that you're currently connected to, and then you're just going to click right here where it says turn Wi-Fi off, and then after that you're going to quickly click on turn Wi-Fi on back again. So basically after you have done this, what will happen then is that you will be able to reconnect into your Wi-Fi once again, and hopefully that will fix the bug for you that your Wi-Fi keeps turning off basically. And by doing this, you're just going to get a bit better connection and you're going to fix the bug. Also, hopefully you will be able to fix the bug that your League of Legends that keeps disconnecting. So this is the first reason why it might actually happen, is that because there's something wrong with your Wi-Fi and you just need to just reset it like this. And if this for some reason is not working, it could be a League of Legends right now. Maybe they have like a new update that is about to come out, and that's why it's actually bugging. This is like the second reason why it might happen, just so you know. But try this and try once again to get back into your game, and hopefully now it works for you as well.